Hello everybody, it's Chrissy from CNM Reptiles. Today we want to show you what to do when your snake has a bad shed. We do not know what happened here. Humidity was perfect. We made sure there's enough moisture in the enclosure and she still came out like this. This normally happens with your lighter colored ball pythons, your bells and your coral glows, things like that. So what we do is we place them in a container with lukewarm water and we close her up for about 20 minutes so that she can draw enough moisture into that dead skin as possible. So yes, people say this stress out the snake, but we found that getting rid of that skin is critical. So few places you need to check is the tail and especially the eye caps, where you have to make sure that the skin properly came off. So tail and eye caps is most crucial. And then if the skin is stuck, please do not pull on it. If it's dry skin, you can hurt the snake. Once it's at a stage like this, you will see the skin just slides off the snake. That is what you want. That is acceptable to remove. Do not pull on dry skin. That skin underneath is still brand new and you can hurt your snake. So as you can see here, it just slips off and she then just pulls herself out. If there's still skin left, please take her and the next day give her another soak for about 20 minutes and repeat the process. Put in rough structures in the enclosures and then just leave them be and they will get rid of that last few pieces of skin. I hope this helps.